Today's video I will show you how to unlink your Roblox account from your PS account on both PS4 and PS5. This is useful if you want to switch Roblox account, fix login issues, or connect a different account to your console. So let's get started. First, you will need to open a browser on your phone or computer and head to roblox.com. Once you are there, sign in to the same Roblox account and that's currently linked to your PS. After logging in, click the settings cog icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side bar, click on Security. Now scroll down the page until you see the PS section. Here, it will show that your Roblox account is connected to the PlayStation Network account. Now you need to click on Disconnect. If your Roblox account has a PIN enabled, you will be asked to enter it here. Once entered, click Unlock to confirm. After this, the PlayStation connection should disappear, meaning your account is now unlinked. Now head back to the PS4 or PS5. If Roblox is already open, make sure to fully close the game, then launch it again. When Roblox starts up, you will be prompted to sign in with a new Roblox account. And that said, you have successfully unlinked your Roblox account from PS. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.